with the late trio. I'm Sergeant Guy.
I'm Corporal Paraplonk.
And I'm Private Goomp.
And today, we are going to blow up the ice cream truck because it is nothing but bull crap.
Yay. And we'll do it with our bombs.
We'll blow this thing up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yay! We blew up the ice cream truck. Good riddance to that stupid ice cream truck.
I strongly agree with you, Sergeant Guy.
Me too.
Sergeant Guy, Corporal Paraplonk, and Private Goomp, what have you done to the ice cream truck? You didn't just blow it up, did you?
Well, yeah, Bowser Jr., we blew up the ice cream truck because it looked like nothing but bull crap.
Yay. And we did it with our bombs.
I agree with what Corporal Paraplonk said.
Sergeant Guy, Corporal Paraplonk, and Private Goomp. This ice cream truck costs $50,659. I can't believe you would blow up the ice cream truck with your bombs. Now we have to pay a lot of money for a new ice cream truck thanks to you.
Hey guys. What's with all the commotion here at the park? And why is the ice cream truck blown into pieces?
Well, Ethan, the Ultimate Kingdom Hearts fan 2002. Sergeant Guy, Corporal Paraplonk, and Private Goomp blew up the ice cream truck. And they did it with their bombs.
Sergeant Guy, Corporal Paraplonk, and Private Goomp. How dare you blow up the ice cream truck with your bombs? You know that the ice cream truck costs $50,659, and it is used to sell pre-packaged ice cream to the customers during the spring and summer. Now thanks to you, we have to pay a lot of money for a new ice cream truck. That's it. All three of you, get out of here and go home now while I call your parents about this.
Sergeant Guy, Corporal Paraplonk, and Private Goomp. Ethan, the Ultimate Kingdom Hearts fan 2002 has told us through phone that you blew up the ice cream truck with your bombs. You know that the ice cream truck costs $50,659, and it is used to sell pre-packaged ice cream to the customers during the spring and summer.
I strongly agree with your father. Now thanks to you, we have to pay a lot of money for a new ice cream truck. That's it. All three of you are grounded for 2 weeks. Go to your rooms right now.
We're sorry, Mom and Dad.